Ayan, nagsistick kami ng wings ng butterfly. Para may, ano naman siya. Hindi siya ma-bored. Kasi lagi na lang siya cellphone. Is that the same? It's not the same. This one na. Lagi na lang cellphone ang utak nito. Batang to. Umaga pa lang kagising, cellphone na. Yan. Para at least may nagagawa siya at matuto. What's that? Blue? Blue. Pangit yung printer ko. Pareho yung kulay. Yellow and blue lang. Dapat purple yan. Pero it's okay. At least na may activity siyang nagagawa. Kasi lapit na din ng school. September 1. Pasok na siya. Wala nang magulo dito sa bahay. Kasi pupunta na siya sa school. Go. Wow, very good, Shihan, no? Huh?
Mama, this is
Yellow butterfly. Last one. What's that? What color?
Green.
Green. Very good. Green color. Okay, last one. Wings. Count your butterfly. How many butterfly you have? Count the butterfly. Count.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
How many?
7.
What? Count properly, 7. You count properly. Count properly first. Go, faster. They can you, oh. They watch you, oh. Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
O, tani 7. Count properly, ha?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh, how many?
6.
Oh, 6. Is it 7? 6 or 7?
6.
Oh, 6. Very good.
Mama, det betyder det.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.